Alright guys, welcome back to Bootleg Garage. Today we're working on this bad boy. Never showed you guys this. We got this a while back in I think beginning of 2020 before all the coronavirus shit happened. But today I'm about to be making a seat bracket that goes right here for that right there. And yeah, about to get to it, about to cut up the metal. Got it right here, just got back from Home Depot. 11 bucks each piece. Also picked up some paint and primer because you can see I took out all the sound deadening and I'm trying to wire wheel it all in bare metal. Don't want that exposed, especially in this weather right here. It will rust very quickly. But let's get to it. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the pieces cut out with the bandsaw right there. And I'm about to tack it up in place to see how it fit. And then probably gonna make a few spacers here and there and more supporting bars, more bends. And after that, probably add some supports on the seat too, and then bolt it in. Alright guys, got everything tacked up, as you can see. And everything looks good so far. Use a Sharpie, line it up, and let's go test fit in the car now. Alright, so as you can see, it's a little not level because, as you can see right here, the rail kind of comes up and then back down right here. So what I'm going to do is make a spacer that goes underneath here and there, and it should be level just the way I want it to be. And then probably make another bracket right there to go down to that little bolt hole, or bolt I should say. And then after that, make another brace that goes across, and then make brackets that go up onto the seat and the bolt into the seat, and that should be done. Alright guys, I'm back to it. I just welded the support bars in, made a little bracket down there. Can't see because it's a little dark right now. And drilled out that right there. Probably gonna drill out this tomorrow and make a spacer for that because that's a pretty big gap. Because that bump right there. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. And for you guys, I'm gonna be back in 1 second. Alright guys, we are back. Day 2. Working on this thing. As we were yesterday, we're working on this seat mount bracket thing. And as you can see, instead of spacers, I actually just decided to do this. Looks kind of off right now. Yeah, sucks. But then on the front, looks way better. The line so much better too. And I boxed it for extra support. And also, earlier this morning, I didn't show you guys, but I made these brackets that I actually connected the seat to, both sides. And I'm doing the front right now, which is right here. As you can see, probably can't see it, but I marked it up. So I'm gonna drill right there and see how that fits, and if it fits good, and then I'll tack weld it on and double check everything and do the same with the other side too. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got it drilled out, as you can see, and this thing fits literally perfect. As you can see, that's the bolt hole right there. It's flush with the metal. About to tack it in now. Alright guys, so I tacked it in place, as you can see, both sides. It's literally perfect all the way around. Looks pretty good to me so far, except for this little piece right here. But probably make something to support that more. But yeah, now I'm about to go weld it all the way around and then finally bolt it into the car. And then yeah, I'll be done with this. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Got it all welded up. I just Scotch-Brited it. I'm about to acetone wipe it down and then probably primer it and paint it red. But yeah,